In this video, I'm going to show you how to install your Facebook pixel to your funnel page, and I'm also going to give you a small groove hack to track your Facebook leads whenever that submit button is clicked. Hey, my name is Rob Verzera, and welcome to the ETA. So how we're going to start, we're going to go in the Facebook Business Manager, and we're going to go to your data sources. And this is where all your pixel information is stored. So go ahead and select your pixel, and we're going to go to Add Events. And we're going to select from a new website. So go ahead and click on that. And then you're going to see a box come up. We're just going to click on Install Code Manually. And then this green button says Copy Code. We're going to go ahead and click on that right there. And now that's just going to copy our pixel code to our clipboard. So now what we want to do is come over to GroovePages and go ahead and select the site you want to install your pixel on. In this case, we're going to use the groovejourney.com. So once you open it up, it's going to load up your index page. Come over to the site settings. And you're going to scroll down here and it's going to say code to include. And in the include in head part right here, just click and now we're just going to paste our pixel code right in there. So once you have it in there, we're going to click on the checkbox to save it. And then we're going to click on save on the main page. And now we're going to click on publish. And it's published. Okay, so now we're going to open up a new tab and we're going to go to the groovejourney.com. And you can see I haven't refreshed it yet, so you can see right now there's no pixels in here. This is the Facebook Pixel Helper. So if I do a hard reset here, which is basically hit F12 and then right mouse click and empty and hard that. Okay, now you can see that we have a pixel information here. So you can see it found our pixel right here. Okay guys, so here's a little groove hack for you. Now that you have your pixel working, a lot of times what you want to do is you want to register a Facebook lead when somebody submits that form. So there's a couple ways to do that. One, you could use the Facebook setup tool, or you can actually put code right onto the button itself to register a Facebook lead event every time somebody submits the form. So I've included a Google Doc below. You can go ahead and download it. That actually has the code that you can put right into your button. So let's jump in real quick and I'll show you exactly how to do that. Okay, and to do that is pretty easy. So what we're going to do is open up the Google Doc that I have below. And once you open it, just copy the script code right here into a text document. Now what we need to do is we need to modify this button name right here. So to do that, we're going to go back into Groovefunnels. We're going to click on the button because we gave it a custom name. We're going to go to Custom Attributes and grab the name. So in this case, it's called the Submit button. So I'm just going to copy that. We're going to go back to our text document. And we're going to paste the name right here. And remember, we want to leave the hashtag in front. Okay, so once you have that, let's go ahead and copy it. We're going to go back into Groovefunnels. We're going to click on Page. We're going to click on the three dots and we're going to edit settings. What we're going to do is we're going to scroll down here to the bottom section where it says include in body bottom. And we're going to paste our code right in there. Okay, go ahead and hit the check mark. Go ahead and hit save. And now go ahead and hit publish. Okay. So once that's published, we're going to go ahead and open up a new tab here real quick, and we're going to paste this in here just to make sure everything is working. And what we can see is we can see in our pixel stuff right here, it says we have a lead with an error right here, and that's because it sees the code on the button, which is what we want, but nothing's firing it yet because we haven't pressed it. If we do press it, we'll get a lead event, but it'll go on to the next page. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to go back into Facebook. So Facebook has this built-in tool that allows you to test your events. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back over to our Facebook pixel page. And what we're going to do is just put our URL right down in here. So we're just going to go to the groovejourney.com. And what we're going to see here is on the testing, we're going to actually see a page view event and then a lead event when we actually submit it. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so I'll put our email address in here. And we'll go ahead and click on subscribe. Okay, so what you saw here is you saw our page view come in, and then right after that came the lead. So you know everything's working correctly. And that's how easy it is to add your Facebook pixel. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you ran into any snags at all, please let me know in the comments below. Also, if you want to see even more videos that can help you simplify Groove, be sure to click on the playlist above for even more Groove walkthroughs and tutorials. And remember, if you haven't joined our awesome Facebook group, Groove Nation, what are you waiting for? The link is right below. Get in there now. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.